This video shows how to mark areas in your document that should not be translated. This gives you full control over what gets translated and what doesn't. Elements like logos, mathematical formulas, signatures, and seals usually don't need to be translated. Click this button to start selecting areas. Click the Regional Translate button at the top of the page. Toggle between original and translated text to select the right section. Click the rectangle tool, hold the left mouse button and drag to select the area you want. For each region, you can choose to skip everything, just the images, or just the text. Let's mark all the areas that don't need translation. Finally, click the Translate Again and Confirm buttons and you're done. Now everything displays correctly. Let's have a try with Doclingo. Need help? Just reach out through the chat at the bottom right of our website.